So you might be in a position where you keep hearing this static noise within your AirPods. Now, most probably this is coming from your AirPods Pros, but this may also be coming from different AirPods too, like your AirPods 3s or whatnot. Now, the very first thing I would recommend doing for the most part is to go through and make sure your AirPods don't have the noise cancellation feature built in. So if your AirPods do have that feature, like these AirPods Pros, AirPods Max, and I believe some other AirPods 2s, well, you're going to be running into a situation where your AirPods are probably just using a feature that's built in. So what I'd recommend doing is going into your, iPhone. So in this case, we'll go to our iPhone 14. We'll go and bring our AirPods close so they're going connected. And you want to make your way over to your AirPods settings. So click on your AirPods settings. You can go and find your AirPods right here. So just click here. And you want to find where, if there's any situation where it says like noise cancellation or anything like that, you might just want to go ahead and turn that feature off. So you can see here we have spatial audio, but AirPods 3s do not have noise cancellation. So if you do see that noise cancellation feature, just go ahead and turn it off, and that's going to basically remove that like staticky type of noise that just keeps kind of going through. Now, for some reason you do that and that is still not working, or your AirPods are still having a bunch of static noise in the background, well, it may be a defect within your AirPods. So the first thing I'd recommend doing here is taking your AirPods out of your case and making sure they're not like severely wet, that they're not damaged at all. You may also want to take a look inside of your case here and make sure your AirPods here are also not damaged and also not messed up either, because that can also cause some issues on top of that. So another thing you want to do on top of this is to go ahead and just make sure that your AirPods are kind of updated. So as long as the song that you're listening to doesn't have random staticky noise or whatever, you may just want to go ahead and see if your AirPods have an update. Now, when you update your iPhone, if you have it, you'll go ahead and see that if you actually update your iPhone, you will go ahead and automatically have your AirPods updated as well, as long as they're connected. So you can go and update your iPhone to the most recent version of software. A lot of the times that may end up fixing the problem too. You can try restarting your device or restarting your AirPods, but those are pretty much the main ways to fix it for the most part. So that pretty much covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.